So once you click on that link in the video description, it'll then take you to hostinger.com. Now, hostinger.com is among the fastest web hosting, and it's also the most affordable in the industry. It also comes with a free domain name and a 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason whatsoever. So once you get to this page, you'll click on Start Now. Here we have 3 different plans. We got the Premium, the Business, and the Cloud Startup. I definitely recommend to go with the Business plan. The main reason why is you can host up to 50 websites on your hosting package, and you get access to NVMe storage, which is much faster than typical SSD. If we look at the Premium package, we can only host up to 3 websites, and they give us SSD, which is a little bit slower than NVMe storage. Now, later down the road, if you want to upgrade for higher performance, you can always upgrade to the Cloud Startup and you're hosting your portal. So under the Business plan, I'll click on Choose Plan. Next is the cart page, and here you can select the period of your web hosting package. Now, the longer you sign up for, the bigger the discount you'll receive. So 48 months gives you the biggest discount, and honestly, 4 years of hosting for $200 is actually quite affordable. But if you're brand new to making websites and you just can't afford that, I definitely recommend to go with a 12-month package. This will qualify you for a free domain name, and it only costs you about $50 a year. On top of that, we have a coupon code that'll work for any of the packages at hostinger.com. So on the right side, you'll see this have a coupon code. If I click on this, you'll see we can enter something in. So I'll put in Darrel 10, and this coupon code will give you an additional 10% off any of the packages at Hostinger, no matter how long you sign up for. So here I'll click on Apply. Then you'll see that we save an additional 10% off the hosting package. So next, let's go ahead and click on Continue. On the next page, you'll go ahead and make an account with Hostinger. After you enter in your email address and password, you'll then click on Register. On the next page, you'll enter in your billing address, like your first name, your last name, your country, your phone number, and your social security number. I'm just kidding, no social, it's a joke. So I'll go ahead and fill this out. And the final step is to submit a payment. So here you can enter in your credit card information. You can also pay with PayPal and Google Pay. On the right side, you'll see this is the total, and we have our coupon code applied. So I'll enter in my credit card information. Once you enter in your information, you'll then click on Submit Payment. Congrats, we're gonna start our new websites. All right.